Hey guys, Peter Garian here with Secret Beach Homes, and I am right here at the waterfront of Secret Beach because a brand new prefab home is coming in right now. You can see it behind me on the barge. And so the way it works is the barge will basically travel all night from Belize, and it arrives here in the morning, and then they have to kind of move some of this stuff out of the way here, and then they'll drive the truck right off the barge, and then they'll take the truck over to the location and start getting the house set up on the lot. So that's kind of how it works from here. And so we're just here now, and we're going to be taking this house over to one of our lots, and you can follow us over and check it out. So we just saw the first part of the prefab go by. This one actually had two trucks. There was a smaller section that's being added to the house on site, and then the large house, the main house itself, is on the big truck. And so they're pulling off the trucks now, and we're going to be going over to the lot and getting things set up. So we're just waiting now. The truck is off the barge, and basically putting the letters back, putting the chairs of the restaurant back so nothing's disturbed, so Secret Beach can be open during the day. And now we just kind of wait for the trucks. People are starting to get into the trucks now. We're going to be moving them down the road and up to the lot, so let's check it out. So we've got the house behind us now, and it's just going down around the corner. So we're going to be on this paved road. Part of the road to Secret Beach is now paved, and so we're going to stay on this paved road here, and where the house is going is just around the corner. So let's take a ride, and we'll show you where it's going to be. So here's the house, guys. Here's the lot. Right here, right on the main road to Secret Beach. And they're just gonna back it into position. Yeah, so what we did was we discussed with the guys exactly where the house is gonna go, what the setback requirements are, and how we want the house positioned. So we arranged that, and now we're putting it into place. Hey guys, so we got the prefab here. It's been dropped off now, and probably looks a little funny, right? Well, that's because there's no stairs, right? So when it gets delivered, there's actually a limitation to how much space is on the barge. And the largest prefab that you can get delivered in a single shot is a 20 by 40. And that's what this is here. So 20 feet wide, 40 feet long. So they set it up ahead of time, and then they come later and they add the decks and verandas and the stairs after the fact. And that's a separate crew that comes and they put that in on site. If you look, it actually has a little side unit which we added on, and this is going to be the utility / laundry room where we have the mechanicals. And this actually required a separate little truck to have that little unit on the barge as well. So they put two trucks on the barge. The main truck had the big house, and then there was another truck that had that little unit as well. And then while it's here, then we go ahead and set it up with the off-grid utilities, solar system, rain catch for your water, and get your house set up so that it's fully functioning and fully operational, so you can have a turnkey home here in Secret Beach. And a home like this is something that you can have here, and you can have it set up very quickly and affordably, and you can enjoy your Caribbean home here in Secret Beach, Belize.